EU consumer law requires online stores to give customers a way to withdraw from orders. Non-compliance can mean penalties and frustrated customers. Here's how WebToffee makes it effortless. Install the free WebToffee EU Order Withdrawal button plugin from the WordPress repository. Search, install, and activate. Done in seconds. Head to WooCommerce Withdrawals Settings. Assign your withdrawal page, toggle on the footer link so customers can always find it, and choose whether to show it site-wide or just on WooCommerce pages. Enable partial withdrawals so customers can pull back individual items, not just the whole order. Set your withdrawal window. The EU minimum is 14 days, but you can extend it. You can even make a reason field mandatory. Not everything qualifies for withdrawal. Exclude digital downloads, virtual services, perishables, or specific product categories, all from one clean settings panel. When you approve a request, the order status updates automatically. No manual changes needed. And every submission instantly triggers email notifications to both the customer and your admin team, keeping everyone in the loop without lifting a finger. You can even configure exactly who on your team receives those withdrawal alerts. Want to add the withdrawal button anywhere? A product page, a custom policy page, anywhere? Just drop in the shortcode. You can even customize the button label to match your store's tone. Your customers see a simple form. They pick their order, select items, and submit. They get an instant confirmation email, and you get a notification to act on it right away. Manage everything from your dashboard. Filter by status, date, or order number. Approve or reject with a click. Stay compliant, keep customers happy, and automate the entire withdrawal workflow with WebToffee. Get it free on WordPress.org. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.